In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your HP printer online. So before you start, you just want to ensure that your printer and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You also need to obviously ensure that the printer is turned on. So once you've ensured both of these steps, we can go and open up the Start menu on your computer, search for the word Settings, and then click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, select Bluetooth and Devices, and then click on Printers and Scanners. You can then go and select your printer from the list of devices, scroll down to the bottom and click on More Devices and Printers Settings. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to Printers and go and right-click on your printer. Click on See What's Printing, click on Printer, and make sure this option here, Use Printer Offline, make sure this is not turned on by accident, and that's the first way to go and turn your printer online. Now, if that's still not working, then go and open back up the Start menu, search for the word Services and click on this window. You can then scroll all the way down this list of options until you see a service called Print Spooler. Now, once you've found this service, just right-click on it and click on Restart, and once you've done that, you can check again to see if that's fixed the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is let's just come back over to the Start menu, go and search for Settings once again and click on this window, click on Bluetooth and Devices, scroll down and select Printers and Scanners, and then go and select your printer once again. And now just at the top here, click on this Remove button, and that will delete the device from your computer. And now all we simply need to do is go and re-add the device by clicking the Add Device button, and it should appear straight away as long as it's turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't show up straight away, click on Add a New Device manually. You can then select Add a Bluetooth, Wireless, or Network Discoverable Printer and press Next. And you can then select your printer from the list and press Next. And what will happen now is a PIN number will pop up on your printer, and you can type in this PIN number here in order to go and reconnect your printer. So that's how you turn your HP printer online. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.